Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the source predictable. Set the radio to a flat preset and turn off DSB or loudness so you hear raw changes. Play a familiar track at steady volume. This gives a reference for decisions. Once playing, switch the equalizer to 1/3 octave or parametric mode and select 3 anchor bands, around 60 Hz, 1K Hz, and 10K Hz. Now make small adjustments, plus or minus 3 dB, to verify each band's effect before larger moves. You now refine balance. Listen for masking and room boom, and prefer cutting problem frequencies rather than boosting others, trimming 1 to 6 dB where needed. Use a narrow Q for surgical cuts to remove honk or resonance, and widen Q when shaping warmth or air. Once done, sweep the 13K Hz region for vocal clarity and the 60-120 Hz band for bass weight. Make incremental changes, then a /B with the flat preset, so you hear whether each tweak improves clarity and imaging. You finish by applying a gentle global tilt, 1 to 2 dB, to add brightness or warmth depending on taste, and then save the preset so you can recall it. Make sure to test across several songs and at different volumes to confirm consistency. If you hear distortion or clipping, reduce low-frequency gain and lower the system volume. Also check speaker phase and gain staging. Finally, if imaging feels off, revert to the saved flat preset, then reapply changes more conservatively to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.